kids! Today we are drawing a turkey on the occasion of, you guessed it right, Thanksgiving. Start drawing the eyes and move on to the nose. Then draw his huge oval-shaped body along with the wings. Time for his beautiful feathers. Yes, just like that. Good job. Time for his cute and tiny legs. Draw these designs on the feathers. Now, let's thicken the borders. Keep going. Time to paint. Start painting with a sparkling brown color. Yellow on the beak. How about some red on his snoot? Yes, perfect! Use this beautiful lighter shade of yellow color on his body. Some more brown on the wings. Amazing! Use yellow on the legs as well. Now let's move on to the feathers. Use sparkling orange in the first space. Brown in the second space. And a lighter shade of yellow in the third. Continue painting the other wings too. Keep painting. You're doing a great job! And our glittery turkey is finally ready! Gobble gobble! Happy Thanksgiving, my friends!
Subscribe and watch more. Chiki Art!